As I walk down by the riverside one evening in the spring, with the long gone sound of the days gone by blowing in on free north wind. Oh, there is no lonesome chorus cry, sorrow and delight. You can hear the call.
Lila,
Yes.
what are they doing?
They're ripping down your barn.
Oh, I don't want it down.
Oh. Whoops. There's a big hole in the roof, so that's gotta go.
Rob mushed through the floor.
With angels bright watch you tonight.
What are you just loading garbage on first?
I guess so. It's too in the way to really.
Yeah.
Rob, peek through the hole.
What?
Peek through the hole.
So walk down with a heavy heart, and the students all the time.
Who?
On the night when all of the lights were gone, and the north wind gently sighed, and a rippling breeze come from kiss the riverside.
Maybe go outside.
So bring out
You just cut.
speak tonight.
Right down the wall.
Miracles that now around the holiday.
Catch the wind. You'll catch.
That's pretty good. Everything in one load.
You're going to pull it over with the truck?
Doorway. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Something.
This isn't gonna work, I think.
Oh,
but,
look at that. Truck.
Oh, gone. Yeah!
That worked.
Do it again now.
That front part must have been quite strong.
Woo! Yay!
Elle did it!
Elle knocked the barn down.
Mashallah. Oh, where is it? We need it too. Good bad.
Tim, put it back.
Elle, can you just lift it up again?
Yeah, reverse. Turn to the left a little.
Oh my god, that's
Is
awesome.
there any treasure on the That really didn't work to our advantage. Put it back. I mean, the roof isn't going to collapse on us anymore. Now it looks like... Put that up on YouTube and say a hurricane hit the
Yeah,
Yes.
hurricane hit. Yeah.
It's possible.
This is awesome now.
Yeah, now you can really destroy it. These destruction would be so much fun to watch. Put that camera away.
Launch a pry bar at it.
Yeah.
Like a javelin.
It's really like buckling everywhere.
Best chip. Oh, nice.
Wow, that Ooh. piece can be taken away. I'm gonna.
There we go.
Elle's really just ripping the barn apart. He took off the roof, off a whole wall.
Ooh.
You know where to take it? In there?
Here we go.
Keep going.
Oh! Oh! Very hard!
Hey, the door's still good. Maybe just pull it a bit more, maybe.
No, it's gone.
Yeah, that's good.
Very intimidating.
It is, isn't it? I'm glad I'm on this side.
Doing anything?
It's fun. I want to break something. Ah! Victory!
Rob, bonfire.
Yeah. Let's just light it on fire.
Oh, okay. Where'd you guys go? Oh, really? Wow. All right.
It's trying to take a picture of you.
Basically, you're done.
Didn't like that noise. Did they give you guys those garbage cans? No.
Don't break your foot, Lila. Jesse, stop and smile for a minute. I want to see if he'll take a picture. Look this way.
No, but I mean like for like even all that, if you want to scoop it into these and then put it on the tarp. These need to be cut too. Beautiful. It's a beautiful sight. Makes it for you guys sitting on your way to the dump.
Don't wreck that door. She wants it for her bed.
No, it's just that taking. Crock parts. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Bye, Rob.
Bye?
Give me a wave.
I'll run out of memory.
Yeah.
Bentley!